Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Shavita and today we're going to do a class that focuses on our abs and back. So let's begin the class by lying on our backs. So we're lying on our backs and let's hug our knees in. Let's get centered for the next few minutes for us to spend on looking after our bodies. Have a little rock one way, have a little rock the other way. And just focus on your breath. Place your feet down on the mat, hip distance apart. Tilt your tailbone up and then drop it back down. Up and down. We're just warming up our lower back. Up and down. Place your hands beside your hips. We're going to tuck our chin in and roll up into a bridge. Holding it for 3, 2, 1, gently releasing. And again, tucking our tailbones under, rolling up. And then let's interlock our fingers underneath our backs. Elbows nice and straight. We're opening up the chest and shoulders. Holding it for 3, 2, 1, gently release. And tucking the tailbone, rolling it up, change the hand grip so the other thumb comes on top, holding it for 3, 2, 1, and then gently release. We're going to work on our abs. We're going to bring the hands behind our head, elbows out to the side. Inhale, exhale, lift and pause. And release. Inhale, exhale, lift. And pause. Let's do 10 of these. 10, and add that magic pause at the top. 9, 8, 7, that's it. 6, elbows back. 5, make sure there's space between your chin and your chest. 4, 3, 2, 1, now hold it up and pulse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then gently release. Hugging your knees in, breathing out. We're going to lift the feet up 90-90, engage the abdominal muscles, pressing the abs into your spine. Hands beside your hips, inhale, exhale, we're going to reach your fingers to the front of the room and pulse, pulling the belly button in at the same time. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then gently release, hugging your knees, breathing in, breathing out. We're going to roll over to the side. And we're going to come onto our elbows. We're going to bend the bottom leg and lift up. We're going to thread the needle. So inhale, exhale, reach. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it and we're going to drop the hips down and back up. Dropping the hips down and up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. We're going to come onto our elbows and we're going to come into a plank. So you can be on your knees like this. Make sure the belly button's pulled in, or you tuck your toes under and you come up into a plank. And we're going to hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then gently dropping down and just sitting back in child's pose for a second. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. We're going to come up, one hand on top of the other. We're going to rest our forehead down on the mat, feet hip distance apart, even wider, almost as wide as the mat. And then we're going to inhale, lift up, squeeze. We're building up lower back strength here and glute strength. For 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. We're going to have the hands out 45-degree and 90-degree angle, 90-degree angle. Forehead on the floor, feet nice and wide. And what we're going to do is lift up the chest and squeeze those elbows together. Keep your forehead facing the mat. And for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. We're going to interlock our fingers behind our buttocks, heels and toes together, forehead on the mat. Last little bit for our back. We're working the upper back, middle back and the lower back. Inhale, lift up, hold. For 3, 2, 1. Gently release. And again, inhale, hold. For 3, 2, 1. Gently release. Last one. Inhale, hold. For 3, 2, 1. Gently release. Place your hands on the mat. And we're going to come and melt our hearts down. Melting the heart. Breathing in. Breathing out. Surrendering on the mat to the present moment. Then we're going to flip over to the other side. And we're going to come in a long line, bend the bottom leg, elbow underneath the shoulder, lift up, hold it, and we're going to thread the needle. Exhale, reach, inhale, lift for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it and pulse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we're going to come over onto our elbows. We're going to tuck the toes under. You can be on your knees or you can be on your toes. Now, if you want to, we can add to the plank. We can take our hips down to the mat for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Pull the belly button in. 4, 3, 2, 1. And then gently bring the knees down. We're going to melt the heart. In, then slowly, gradually come into child's pose. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Beautiful. Coming back up. We're going to interlock the fingers behind us and we're going to open up our chest. Lift the hands up, away from the buttocks. For 3, 2, 1. And then we're going to arch, dome. For 3, 2, 1. Change the hand grip. Open. For 3, 2, 1. And again, keep that changed hand grip. Reach and dome. Opening up the upper back. For 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. We're going to come up onto sitting. Sitting cross-legged. Bring our hands on the shoulders, elbows together. Exhale down and up. Beautiful. Keep going and don't forget to breathe. Last one. Elbows together, and this time we're going to go up and down. Up and down. Up and down. And then gently roll your shoulders one way, roll your shoulders the other way. Turn your head left to right. And then come back to sitting. Take a nice big exhale for the count of 3, 2, 1. Relax your shoulders, relax your face. Inhale for 3, 2, 1.
And while you're sitting here for a moment in your day, think of 3 things that you're grateful for in this very moment. Inhale each one of those things into your body and exhale gratitude out to the universe. Inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, exhaling. Well done, everybody. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, and don't forget to share. I look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.